This is the new BMW XM tuned by MANHART. The upgraded car is called MANHART MHXM 900 and is based on the flagship XM label red. The 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine is coupled to an electric motor and now makes 888 horsepower and 1200 Nm of torque. Customers can also choose between an Akrapovic slip-on exhaust or a stainless steel exhaust built in-house by MANHART with adjustable valves to tweak the sound profile. A set of H&R lowering springs have also been installed together with MANHART's Concave 1 wheels. A carbon fiber body kit completes the package. This kit includes a new splitter and front air intakes, a custom hood, extended side sills, a large roof spoiler, a small lip below the rear window, and a bold carbon fiber diffuser. Guys, if you like our channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.